Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to have the exact percentage of the usage of the battery on the status bar, all you have to do is to enter the settings, then let's scroll and find this battery option. And as you can see here, we've got the show battery percentage option, which is of course in my case turned on. If you've got it turned off, just tap on this switcher and the percentage will immediately appear inside the battery icon. We do not have any other option of display, but it is still okay. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.